Yo, 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 how'd it do? So today we're gonna be doing a burst fade pretty much, and you're just gonna watch me as I do it and as I talk. Let's get it. So right here, I'm just putting the neck strip on, fixing the cape for him, wetting his hair a little bit, and then I'm starting to section it into parts. I ain't gonna lie, his hair is very nappy, so it took me a while. Right there, he's showing me what he wants, and now I'm just getting my clippers, and I'm gonna start the debulk, you feel me? I had to move that little spray bottle because it was getting in the way, and it was getting me annoyed. I ain't gonna hold you. He showed me what type of haircut he wanted right there, and I'm just visualizing on his head, because as a barber you have to visualize something that is not there. Pretty much you're an artist, so in that artistry form you have to visualize how it'll look. And right here I'm just debulking everything, trying to get the canvas clean and finished so I could put the final product on, you feel me? As you can tell, he's very fidgety. Sometimes you got clients like that, you feel me? This is my homeboy, so I can talk anything I want about him. I look so focused right now, it's hilarious, bro. He looks so tired, what the heck? He was telling me how tired he was because he just got out from school, you feel me? It was like 6 already at night. So I was just trying to get this haircut all clean up and done for him, you feel me? Jeez, now I think about it, I'm a little aggressive with his head. I'm just cleaning up around his ear, and yeah. But anyways, put in the comments down below how you feeling today, how's your day, or something you want to tell me, you feel me? Jeez, it's like 500 times I said you feel me. I'm a little bit nervous because it's the first time I'm ever doing a voiceover. Right there, I'm using the cocoa trimmers to clean up around his ears so I could because I'm a perfectionist and I like to keep everything clean, so I have to double pass, But let me know how your day was in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and share whatever you gotta do to make my stuff blow up, you feel me? Because I'm a starting YouTuber and I really want to start popping and growing, Right here I'm trying to remove the baseline, and I think my camera just died because some of my camera gear ain't that good, so I have to invest in some new ones. So all that subscribing, sharing, and everything would be amazing for this. So please share, subscribe, like, anything that you could do to help me. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. It took me a very long time to edit this video, and I hope you like it. Right here I'm using the foil shavers to make it clean, nice, crispy, You know that feeling when you touch your neck after a haircut and it's all baby smooth? That's what I'm doing right there with the double foils, the babyless. And right here I'm using my single foils so I could get around the ear because it's way easier. Shout out to Babyless for all their good products. I really recommend them. I am not sponsored, not whatsoever. They're not paying me to say this, but I really do recommend their products. They are amazing. And Stylecraft as well. Stylecraft is a very good trimmer option, or clipper option, I'm using the Saber 2.0s right there, and 10 out of 10 I would definitely recommend to anyone. Why am I sticking out my tongue? That's hilarious. My client looks so tired. He's just zoned out completely. That's how relaxed he is, I guess. And I know my haircuts ain't that perfect, but like, I'm still learning. They'll slowly get better. I promise, y'all. I promise. What is it with me and sticking out my tongue all the time? Why is the song actually fire though? Uh-huh. I'd rap to this song, but I don't know how to rap. I ain't gonna hold you. Let me know if you like this type of style of video. It's the first for me. I've never done anything like this. It's literally my very first time trying this. So let me know down in the comments below if it's a pretty good video format. Right here, his parents was calling him, asking where he was at. It was funny to me. His face. He's checking himself out, you know, he's feeling nice and clean. I think he finally realized the camera was looking towards him and recording. And right here he says something very funny. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh. He finally realized I was on him. Anyways, after that little short break, right here I just laid him down to start giving him the hot towel treatment. That's an add-on that I do for my haircuts. A lot of clients love it, and this is one of his favorite things with the haircut. Right there, I gotta check if it's a little too hot, you know, because I don't want to burn him. And I wrap his face around it, give him a little massage, start pushing it into his pores so it can open up. And I made sure to prep his skin before putting it on. I made sure to put the shaving gel so it could get absorbed, and then after that I take it off and I just start going to town with the straight razor. You can see how relaxed he is. Then I start going to town. I told him don't move because you really do not want to move when you're using a straight razor at all, because you risk getting cut. And I finished up real fast. I hit him with the cocos again. And then right here I'm showing him how I got a new product. It's the enhancements. And I'm just drawing him a little hairline because he's a little embarrassed of his little widow's peak. So I'm trying to make him feel like he could have a good hairline. And I'm just drawing it on for him, you know. And he's liking it. And if he likes it, it's good, in my opinion. I always want to do what the client wants and whatever the client feels like he wants and needs, and whatever makes him feel more confident in himself. Because as a barber, that's our job, to make you feel confident in many ways and make yourself feel more clean. I'm going around the whole head trying to clean up everything with the trimmer. Also, shout out to Coco Trimmer. And I'm showing him right now how he has a lot of puffed out curls in the back and how it looks cool. And I told him that he should get a design, the double line, and he just said sure. So I started doing double line, turning it up, showing him, and he approves of it. See, he approves of it. And now I'm showing him with the light how it looks. clean up and fade it up a little bit more. Because I'm a perfectionist. A perfectionist job is never done. Now I'm just putting back the mirror where it's supposed to be. Man, I'm tired. I want to get this over. So, right there, I'm texturizing the hair with the texturizing shears. And put some sea salt spray to make it more curly. Then right here, I'm using my spiderweb wax. I really love this product because everyone loves it. They say it's super cool. But there's the ending. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Peace.